My background was as a BBC TV journalist.
I came from a science background.
Returning to the university after 30 odd years was quite scary.
I was 52 when I started the MA, and I had a whole life before me.
I was 31 when the degree started. I thought I need to get a job at the back of this.
Am I going to be okay? Am I going to be able to keep up?
And most of the people on the course hadn't been born when I did my undergraduate degree.
It would have been great to do a creative writing degree when I was 22, 23 and still have time to figure it out. But I needed to be in work straight away.
Within the first sort of 24 hours of being registered and on the course, it was absolutely superb.
It's been a really, really positive experience for me.
They were the kindest, sweetest people.
I've met some really lovely people, actually.
Everybody was really friendly.
I could teach them things, they could teach me things.
Today I can write.
We just connected.